Hi, this is Ashok Tikate. In this video, I have tried to show you the process of writing italic style of English handwriting. Italic style of writing is very neat, legible, clean, clear and beautiful. It is very close to the print form. It is psychologically sound and scientific. It has global acceptance and relevance as most of the countries in the world follow this style. It also facilitates speed writing. All lowercase letters are slightly slanted to the right side and all are one-stroke letters. We can see oval shapes, triangles and slanted lines in these letters. Decorative writing, flourishing and loops are not allowed in this style. While writing uppercase letters, we need to focus on strokes. What's a stroke? While writing, once after putting the pen on the paper, whatever we write before lifting it up is considered as a stroke. These uppercase letters can be categorized as one-stroke letters, two-stroke letters and three-stroke letters. You can watch the way each uppercase letter is formed here and you can easily categorize them as one-stroke, two-stroke and three-stroke letters. For a good handwriting, similarity in the size and shape of each letter, uniformity in slanting, proper spacing between the letters, words and lines are very important. In the initial stage, we need to practice with the help of lines in the copybook, which has 4 supporting lines. Later, we need to shift to lined notebook which has only 1 supporting line, and at last to a blank sheet which has no supporting lines. If we are able to practice the letters with right size and shape, slanting and spacing without the help of any supporting lines, we can say that our handwriting is good. In order to practice all 26 letters of English alphabet, we can practice writing some sentences which consist all 26 letters. If we practice writing these sentences, it gives us an experience of practicing all 26 letters. For example, the brown fox jumps quickly over a lazy dog. This sentence has all 26 letters. We can see some other sentences also like this with all 26 letters. They are: the 5 boxing wizards jump quickly. Pack my box with 5 dozen liquor jugs. Watch carefully the way each letter is being written in this video and practice writing italic style. Thank you.